So I'm in my homestay's kitchen right now, and we're gonna make toasties. So toasties are basically short for toasted sandwiches, and it's basically grilled cheese, but they put like ham and tomato and stuff. I like ham, cheese, and tomato on it. So yeah, let's get started. Sadly, there wasn't any tomatoes in the fridge or ham, but I do have some Australian cheese. Yep, it's not going to focus on that. Some dairy soft butter. This is the butter we use in the house. Fun fact, I actually learned how to scrape butter off cold onto bread here in Australia. So I have the press heating up. It's supposed to heat up closed. And then when the light is green, I can put the stuff on there. You basically build the sandwich on there. So I love this bread. This is multi-grain sandwich bread. So what you want to do is you want to butter one side of 2 pieces of bread. So with the butter, you go like this. I never knew this. See how thin it is? So yeah, so you want to butter one side of the bread. It's ready. Open it up. Ooh, it's hot. And then you put the butter side down. And then you take the cheese. Put the cheese on there. And take your other piece of bread. So what you want to do is you want to butter the other side. Okay, so you put the butter on top. And then close it down. So I tend to eat 2 of these, so I did 2. And those are cooking right now, and I'll show you the end product. But I'm just going to put all this stuff away. So you just get a plate and throw them on there. I'll just use the knife. Oh yeah. Looking good. And then you just like turn this grill thing off. A lot of Australians have them apparently. Turn the grill thing off and let it cool off. Okay, so we have our beautiful toasties. And you just cut them in half. Serve them with some pumpkin soup. Ooh, yes. Yes, girl, slay. I made slay. I officially made slay 2 syllables. I just finished my 3rd year of college and I can't cut a straight line. So, this is what it looks like. You can't really see it because it's freaking out of focus. Yes, 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 yes. Look at those marks. This is what it looks like. And I could have put 2 pieces of cheese in, but I was like trying to save the cheese. But yeah, so just have 4 pieces of that. That's my lunch.